Hello everyone, welcome back. I really need some proper pool lounge chairs for sunbathing and just laying and relaxing by the water. As you can see, I only have these two that are more in a sitting position and these which are comfortable but not really what I want. So I could go to whatever store and buy some, but if I manage to build these decking terraces, then I think I can make some lounge chairs as well. I have one DIY Ikea hack idea, so let's quickly hop over there, grab 2 packs of these and then move straight to the design table. This pool lounge chair consists of 3 parts. First one is main structure, which is made out of 2 parallel beams. Later I'm gonna talk about their shape. They are connected with 2 joint pieces on each end and have an important role for the third part, which is gonna be Ikea bed base that goes on top and forms required surface. I had this idea for a long time and I envisioned it as a project that is easy, fun and cheap to do with materials that are readily available, can be transported in a small car, and that this whole project can be done in one weekend. The necessary materials for making this lounger are 2 boards of plywood, 2 Ikea Leroy bed base, jigsaw, drill, different size screws, paint, wood glue, and optionally a template. I chose plywood as a material for main structure because it's light and easy to cut into an irregular shape. If you want something more durable and longer lasting, I would instead suggest using solid wood boards. To make it more stronger and thicker, I'm sandwiching 2 boards together. It's important to cover all surface with glue and then press it with something heavy until it's cured. I want this really specific shape, so I'm creating template that I'm gonna use. Since this is a very long piece, I printed it in sections on A4 size paper and connecting it with Scotch tape. In the description I'm gonna link website where I found this shape and also my slightly altered version, both as JPEG and PDF file, so you can use it as well. I say this is optionally because if you don't want to use template, desired shape can be drawn freehand or with any other method you prefer. I'm transferring paper template on top of plywood and outlining it with a pencil. Don't forget eye protection when cutting wood. Advantage of using this material is that it's easy to cut. I simply follow a line and cut it on the outside edge. Now when the first shape is done, I'm using it to outline the second piece, so I get 2 identical figures. When cutting second one, it's really important to exactly follow traced line, because they need to be as parallel as possible. With sanding paper, it's possible to perfect up shape and make edges really smooth. I coated them with outdoor wood oil in color oak. This can be done later, but it's easier now before putting other parts. Before finally putting everything together, I decided to add small screws along the edge, just to be on the safe side and not worry if just glue is enough. I'm putting them on the inside, so they are not visible. From the leftover plywood, I cut out these two panels. Their main purpose is to assure the two main beams are parallel and in correct position. Other than that, they do provide some additional support. I pre-drilled holes and I'm using 3 longer screws on bigger piece and 2 screws on smaller piece on both sides. When assembling this, make sure that your ground is leveled. Yes, this is Ikea bed frame slats that are meant for completely different purpose. But hey, why can't they be used for something else? You can either put them like this, they cover the whole length, but the gap between the slats is too large, so I'm removing them from the plastic strip and using another pack, so in total there will be 25 slats per one lounge chair. In one pack you get 17. Why I think they are perfect for this is that they have this slightly concave shape, which is great for ergonomy and comfort. They are made out of hardwood and have some flexing ability. The important detail is that the pilot holes need to be proper size. The drill bit should be the same size as the body of the screw. Using this bit, I'm widening top of the hole, so the head of the screw can be flush with the surface. I'm starting from the bottom, with 1 screw on each side. As a spacer for next slot, I'm using scrap piece of wood that's 3 cm wide. You can check out how I transformed my pool area next. And if you want to try this project, I definitely encourage you because it's fun and relatively easy if you have some basic tools. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. I hope you all enjoyed watching this and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!